Thank you very much for joining us here this morning. Now, our top focus: days are about to get hotter as India braces for intense heat waves with the IMD issuing nationwide alerts. Let's tell you, parts of northwest, central and east India, along with Maharashtra and Telangana, are set to sizzle in the coming days. Delhi NCR is already feeling the heat with a 2 to 3 degree spike in temperatures. Delhi already recorded its highest temperature of the season at 32.6 degrees on Monday, which is 4.2 Celsius above normal. We'll also tell you about what Mumbai, Kerala and those regions are looking like. But let's begin with the fact that Kritika Tiwari, my colleague from the national capital, joins me this morning. Kritika, very good morning to you. I'm given to understand even Shrishti Atkare, my colleague, is also joining me from Mumbai. So good morning to the both of you. But Kritika, let me come to you. In a battle of weather and seasons, if I were to pick between the heat and the chill, I take the chill any day. Given the aspect of the turnaround that we have looked at in just a couple of days in Delhi NCR, it has been quite confusing because even for the month of February towards the end, you weren't really feeling the chill. It was already moving towards the heat, and perhaps it is a reason to worry because going forward, climate change, global warming is going to make this the new normal, the new phenomenon, in fact.
Well, absolutely, Nivedna. In fact, February this year had crossed the highest mean temperature that has ever been recorded for our country as a whole. So this is a concerning trend indeed. In fact, for Delhi specifically, March has been confusing, as rightly as you were saying. Earlier, there were strong surface winds, winds up to the speed of 50 kilometers per hour, and that was keeping the minimum as well as the maximum temperatures in check. But since Sunday, we're seeing that soaring temperatures are back. On Sunday, the highest for Delhi was recorded at 32.8 degrees Celsius. Yesterday as well, the temperature was quite similar. Today, we're also expecting the minimum temperatures to also rise to be recorded in the range of 17 degrees Celsius at least. In fact, in the morning, at even as early as 5 a.m., the minimum temperature was around 18 degrees Celsius. So definitely summers have kicked in, and the pleasant weather that Delhiites had to experience was just limited to the first week of March. Now, what is also being predicted by the IMD for the national capital is that, as I was saying, nights will continue to get warmer this week as well. There might be some respite with light rainfall that is expected around 14th, which is on the day of Holi. Otherwise, the temperatures will still be high, whether it is the maximum or the minimum. In fact, it is expected that the maximum temperatures will also rise by 2 to 3 degrees, not just for Delhi, but also for central India. We're already seeing the impact in many districts in Gujarat, where the temperatures have already crossed 40 degrees Celsius. But while I say that, remember that the maximum temperature for the month of March in the national capital is expected. Generally, it is recorded above 37 degrees Celsius. Last year is when 37 was recorded. A year before that, we've also seen few years rather before that, we've also seen 40 degrees Celsius also be recorded in the national capital. But currently, towards the end of the week, we're also expecting the temperatures to cross 35 degrees Celsius. So definitely, this is the time for Delhiites to get their ACs serviced and finally get rid of the jackets that we've been seeing people carry in their wardrobes and also in public spaces. Over to you, Nivedna.
All right, Kritika, you've given us that directive, so I'm going to do that this evening in terms of the fact that we're back to the scorching heat, which I'm definitely not looking forward to in the next couple of months, but I appreciate you putting that into context. Shrishti, we look at Kritika being very happy in terms of the summer, at least for now, while we do know all our colleagues, including you, would be reporting in the scorching heat. It's just a matter of time when we look at the summer season at its peak. But Mumbai, in fact, we're given to understand it's facing its own heat wave with temperatures around 38 degrees expected for the next 2 days, Shrishti.
Well, of course, the climate of Mumbai is always hot and humid, but these days it's very hot, and the humidity adds to it, and it's very difficult for people as well as Mumbaikars to be in this climate. Of course, now the IMD has issued alert mentioning the fact that there will be three-day heat wave in the city of Mumbai, following the surrounding cities, that is Raigad, Thane, and other districts which are around Mumbai. Importantly, what they have mentioned is that till Tuesday, the heat wave will be followed, and after that, hot and humid climate will be there in Mumbai. If we just take a look across the temperatures right now, it's 29 degrees Celsius, but it will go till 36 degrees Celsius just around 11 o'clock. So, of course, it will be hot and humid in the city of Mumbai, and the minimum temperature is what we can understand from this will be almost 29 degrees Celsius around 9 p.m. At night. So it's very hot and humid in the city of Mumbai. However, the IMD has mentioned that it is just a 3-day thing, that heat wave is there in city. But after that, hot and humid climate will be followed. Importantly, what we have seen in past so many days, that the winter was not that strong in city. There were several reasons. There was a reason regarding pollution. There was a reason regarding the climate change. And that's why now in just a month of March, Mumbaikars are facing this heat, which is really really unexpectable for Mumbaikars, as we have seen that Mumbai is hot and humid, but not too hot. But 36 degrees is really something people are afraid of. Importantly, the Colaba Observatory has reported 36 degrees and 35 degrees temperature in
Shruti, I have
past
to
few days,
interject
which
you
is
there, but you're absolutely right with what Kritika and you have put into context. All I can say is I'm missing my hometown of Bengaluru, which is known for its great weather. But having said that, our director also just told us that in Mumbai, in a certain region of Kalyan, it has reported 41, 42 degrees. So we are looking at a situation where this is going to be a very difficult summer. So perhaps gone are the days when you really enjoy the season. But Kritika, Shrishti, thank you for joining us this morning. We'll keep coming back to you as far as that is concerned. But for now, we'll leave it at that because we're shifting our focus to more this morning. Let's tell you how high polar